A man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. The decisions we have to make. All because of the DJI Air 3. Why? Why did that drone have to leak? I was doing so good. See, way back in a few videos ago, I'll leave a link up here. I made a video showing that I pretty much sold all my drones. I had up to 20 drones at one particular point, and I couldn't keep up. Too many batteries to charge. The drones are getting old and dated. I won't get that much money for them. I had to clear stock. I got no place to put them. My wife is tripping over batteries. I gotta write down which ones are due to be charged in storage mode. Months go by and I don't use them. I had to clear shelf. But I promised myself I'll stick with 3 drones. A small, a medium, and a large. My small, in case you guys haven't seen the video yesterday with the Mini 3 Pro, that's my small drone, and it ain't going nowhere because that's a good money maker for me when I'm doing little inside jobs. My large drone is the Mavic 3 Pro. I recently updated that because it's got triple cameras, and I need those triple cameras in my life. I don't know about you, but I do. But then that leaves the medium drone. The medium drone. And this is my medium drone. The Autel Lite Plus. Yeah, I love this little bad boy right here. Why? You have to have an Autel in your back pocket just in case those DJIs don't take off. And that's what's hurting me, because the Air 3, that's a medium-sized drone right there. And that's a killer drone with a dual camera. And I need that in my life. And I'm ready to give this bad boy up. But what if that geofencing messes with me one day? Then I'm going to regret that I don't have this. So I don't know. Today, I'm going to take it for a little flight. Take it for a little spin. I'll make a final decision if I've got to clear the shelf to make room for the Air 3. I got my Triple Tech 9 Pro. If you haven't seen this video about this tablet, I'll leave a link up here again. It's hard to give it up. Yeah, you might have a double and a triple camera, but do you got some crisp, quality German glass? Quality over quantity? That's the question. Up and away. This looks good. This looks damn good. This camera looks good. That's a nice shot. I'm just gonna do a hyperlapse right here. I'm gonna back up because hyperlapses are better when you're higher. You don't see the shake as much. But these clouds, man, these clouds is what's really calling me right now. So I'm gonna look up to catch some of these clouds. I got a nice frame right here. Let's go to hyperlapse. 5-second photo intervals. Let's do 4-second intervals. Duration, let's do 10 seconds. 10 seconds makes a good hyperlapse. Let me see what kind of hyperlapse you'll do and if you'll compel me to stay. But right now, no smart controller. I haven't seen any updates for this drone in a while, so the tracking is good, but it's not as good as DJI. Of course, nothing is as good as Skydio, so why am I holding on to this? I could move this off the shelf right now and just lock myself in with the bread, the money, the moolahs, or at least most of it for the Air 3 when that drops. But what's gonna happen when I'm on that job and the Mavic 3 just won't take off? Well, what am I gonna do then? I'm gonna be like, where's my Autel? And then guess what? I won't have it. And look, this is a 1-inch sensor, but the glass on this drone is insane. This is good quality glass. So, I mean, it's going to look good at night, right? So let's hit record, do some flying around. The battery life is good. I still got 34%. I've been up there for a while. Let's get out of ludicrous mode and go into normal mode so we can get standard mode, they call it, and get some nice video. Man, this is 6K is This 6K is fire, man. It is fire. The range is top notch on this. Just like AccuSync, in my opinion, like you won't be able to tell the difference. Man, this video is crisp. Man. Let's do a nice back away. A reveal with the city in the backdrop. Damn. Nice. Real nice. And the controls on this drone, nice and smooth, no complaints there. Nice and solid. Love it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Go back into standard mode and just hit record. Nice. Get some really nice shots with this drone. And did I mention you don't have to worry about geofencing and all that? Just do your due diligence on nice. With the FAA, make sure you use Aloft. I think they're called Air Controller, Air something now. Make sure you do your due diligence there and get your permissions before you fly, and then that's it. Once you got your permissions, you're pretty much good to go. You don't have to you know, worry about unlocking and all that stuff. Just get your permission and fly. Beautiful. Man, this drone flies really great. It's gonna be a real bummer if I have to get rid of this drone to get the Air 3. And I don't even know if the Air 3 is gonna have a, it better have a 1-inch sensor. Man, this looks good. Stadium looks good, looks real good. Man, this drone, the signal, the quality, everything is just holding up real nice. I don't think I can get rid of this drone. I really don't think so. Love it. Oh, with the city in the background. Oh, you gotta love it, boy. You gotta love it. Air 3, yo. So yeah, I'm gonna hit stop recording. I think that's enough. Let's go into ludicrous mode over here and just head back. And this is not even night mode. Another thing I really like about this drone is that the lights at night, you could press a button in the app and turn the lights off in case, you know, you don't want to bother or startle anyone or scare anyone, and just do your thing. It's not too heavy, it's not too light, it's very small and compact, foldable. I just don't know. After this flight, I'm really liking this drone. It's really, really growing back on me. I don't know. You guys tell me, what should I do? Should I keep it and then end up owning 4 drones? Is that the way to go? Should I get rid of it? It's past its course. It's had its time. It's, you know, it's whatever. Tell me, you guys tell me in the comment section below, right? It's always good to have a drone that'll just go up and take off, and you don't have to worry about any problems with unlocking and stuff like that. I don't know. This one is a head scratcher, guys. I really need your help on this one. I'm struggling. I want to get rid of it, but I don't. But then I don't want the maintenance that comes with it. And then when the dual camera on the Air 3 comes out with a 1-inch sensor, and probably gonna have another sensor the size of the Mini 3. So all of that to take into consideration, but the low light quality on this is just mwah. But then I already got a Mavic 3 Pro if I want the low light quality. I don't know, guys. You guys tell me in the comment section below. I'm stuck right now. Guess what? That's why I'm making this video. And you tell me what you think, and let me know what you're doing too. Let me know what you guys are doing. You know, the Air 3 is gonna have a dual camera. It's at least gonna have a 1-inch with probably a Mini 3 as a secondary telephoto camera. How much telephoto, I don't know. It's gonna have long flight time. Everything these days is flying for rated 40 minutes. You'll probably get 30 out of it, but rated 40 minutes, so you know you're gonna get that. It's gonna be affordable. The Air series is the affordable drone. It's the do-it-all drones. It's even gonna be lighter than this, I'm sure. It looks like they got the same fisheye camera, so you're gonna have that Omni obstacle avoidance sensor 360 all the way around, which protection is important, right? So it's better to have protection over just a slightly better camera all day. I say, yeah. So when you look at all of those factors and the new technology and the systems that's going into it, and then it's not like the Mavic 3. When the Mavic 3 came out, it had a whole bunch of problems because they were first experimenting with the fisheye cameras, 2 cameras on 1 gimbal. They were doing things that they never did before. Now they've been there, done that with the Mavic 3 and the Mavic 3 Pro, and they've refined it. That drone is on point. With all of that being said now, it's like they're gonna get this right? It's nothing new technology for them. All they're doing is making it smaller and lighter, but using the same technologies that they perfected. So they're gonna ace it. It's not like you have to wait for it to come out and bugs and kinks for 7 months. No, it's a no-brainer. The day that I get restricted and get pissed off and have no options in my life, I will be very upset. And that, to be honest, is why it's so hard for me. That's the only reason. Other than that, this will be gone in a heartbeat. I don't know what I'm gonna do. You guys let me know in the comment section. Do me a favor, give me a huge thumbs up for this video. Hit like, subscribe. Make sure you check out my Patreon. It's only $1 to become a patron. Ask me any questions, any help you need there, any tips, tricks. I'm right there on Patreon. It's just like sending me a text message, and it's only $1 a month. That's $12 a year. With that being said, guys, well, I will catch you guys whenever I can.